Welcome to Pro Webcast News, where we bring you daily industry updates. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, and you're watching the Afternoon Update with Paul Wilson. Today's news is sponsored by Covenant Reliance Producers. We build success stories. For more information, please visit www.crproducers.com. Now for today's headlines. President Barack Obama nominated Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke to a second term yesterday in the hopes that continuity will help aid the ongoing U.S. economic recovery. According to Obama, quote, Ben approached a financial system on the verge of collapse with calm and wisdom, with bold action and outside-the-box thinking that has helped put the brakes on our economic freefall, unquote. While many expected Bernanke to receive a second term, most did not expect the announcement to come so early. However, Obama said he wanted to end speculation about Bernanke's future. In related news, government officials announced this week that the U.S. national debt is expected to nearly double over the next decade due to the recession's effect on government revenue, as well as increased spending on retirement and medical benefits. While the White House mid-session budget forecast projected a cumulative $9 trillion deficit between 2010 and 2019, a separate estimate by the Independent Congressional Budget Office, or CBO, estimated the number at $7.1 trillion due to assumed higher tax revenues. In addition, both estimates see a decline in the deficit in the next few years, based on a return to growth in 2010 as the recession finally ends. According to White House Budget Director Peter Orszag, quote, I know that there will be some who say this report proves we cannot afford health reform. I think that is backward. The size of the fiscal gap is precisely why we must enact well-designed and fiscally responsible health reform now, unquote. Finally, the news comes amidst controversy over President Obama's attempt to overhaul the U.S. healthcare system, which comes with a price tag of $1 trillion. In investment news, consumer confidence in the U.S. rose more than expected during August due to improvements in the job market and the overall economy, according to the Conference Board. The index of consumer attitudes rose to 54.1 for the month, from an upwardly revised 47.4 the previous month, marking the highest level since a reading of 54.8 in May. Meanwhile, the Present Situation Index rose to 24.9 from 23.3 in July, while the expectations portion of the index spiked to 73.5, the highest level since December 2007. Finally, fewer respondents said jobs were quote-unquote hard to get, slipping from 48.5% in July to 45.1%. I'm Paul Wilson, and thanks for watching Pro Webcast News. For more in-depth news and features, visit producersweb.com.